Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Cameron Great House, originally built in the 18th century and rebuilt in the 1990s, is a boutique guest house situated on a 13-acre working farm, with all types of fruit trees, fish ponds, koi pond, swimming pool and barbecue area. The property is approximately 10 minutes drive from the town of Oracabessa, which is home to luxury estates such as Goldeneye and Firefly. The house has 10 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms, living room with fireplace, library, kitchen and dining room, covered veranda, wet bar, wooden and ceramic flooring, high ceilings, beautiful curved staircase and panoramic views of the mountains. Double garage with living quarters above this property is ideal for Airbnb, hosting events, weddings, and is a great place to get away. The property is bordered by a river on either side and equipped with its own well, giving a constant water supply and feeding the ponds. This property affords a host of business opportunities. Guys, let's take a look at this guest house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this guest house is US $1.2 million, or Jamaican $184,600,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.